In this guide, we are going over a full beginner guide for Resident Evil Requiem. This is all the best starting tips without giving any spoilers away. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, when you're starting a new game, go ahead and do the standard modern difficulty. It's going to give you auto-saved, balanced resources, and the full horror experience without being overwhelming. Now to survive, obviously explore every single room. Don't just rush the objectives. Hidden ammo, healing items, and key files often are tucked away in the corners, cabinets, and side paths, and those extra supplies will make a huge difference later on. On top of that, you need to make sure that you are conserving ammo. Make sure you're always aiming for headshots rather than body shots, and use the environment whenever possible. Explosive barrels and traps can clear so many more enemies without costing you any bullets. Also, listen carefully because audio cues are everything in this game. Footsteps, growls, and distant movement tell you when danger is close before you even see it. Also, in terms of inventory management, you got to make sure you're doing this smartly. Combine herbs to maximize healing efficiency, and don't carry items that you don't immediately need. Space really does matter. If you're playing on classic mode, remember that ink ribbons are limited and only save in safe rooms when you've made real progress. As long as you follow these basics, you'll stay far ahead of the fear instead of reacting to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.